In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a permanently deleted Gmail account. Because recovery is usually only possible for a short window, often around 30 days after deletion, it's important to start right away. If you're within that time frame, your best chance is to use Google's official recovery tools and follow them carefully. Begin by opening your browser and going to the Google account recovery page at accounts.google.com/signin/recovery, or simply type g.co/recover. This is the official portal designed for situations exactly like this. When the page loads, enter the Gmail address you deleted. Be sure to type it accurately. If you're unsure about capitalization or dots, don't worry, Gmail ignores case and dots in the username, but you should still enter the address as you used it. Next, Google will try to verify your identity. Expect questions such as the last password you remember using, a code sent to your recovery email or phone, or other security prompts. Answer as accurately as you can. If you don't remember a password exactly, provide your best recent guess. Using a device and location you've signed in from before can also help Google recognize you more easily. If you previously added recovery options, choose to receive a verification code by email or text and enter it promptly. Keep these codes private, never share them with anyone. If you don't have access to your recovery email or phone, recovery may not be possible, but continue with any other prompts Google provides in case there's another way to confirm ownership. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be asked to reset your password. Create a strong, new password that you haven't used before on this account. Aim for a long passphrase with a mix of characters, and avoid anything easy to guess. Carefully follow any additional on-screen instructions. Depending on your situation, Google may ask you to review settings or confirm recent activity before restoring access. If this is a business or school account using Google Workspace, your organization's administrator may be able to recover the account or its emails for longer than the standard window. Reach out to your admin and ask them to check their admin tools as soon as possible. After you regain access, strengthen your security. Turn on two-step verification, confirm that your recovery email and phone are up to date, and review recent activity to make sure everything looks right. If recovery doesn't work, visit the Gmail Help Center or contact Google support. Direct assistance can be limited, but those resources explain your options and the likelihood of recovery, especially if the deletion window has passed.